Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 4 trades. Today's date is November the 13th and I'm using my brand new Easy Scalper trading system. This one has this scalper moving average. It changes colors from blue to red, and of course when it changes colors you'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like this, and you'll also get alerts for the arrows here. That's part of the super signal indicator. You'll get buy or sell alerts. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, that's 6 a.m. New York time, I'm in front of the charts looking at all the different instruments, and I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now here is my daily trade plan. A lot of blues, matter of fact all blue, no red whatsoever. So the market definitely, at least on these instruments, are moving up. And as soon as this 30 minutes right here, if it turns blue, it'll say look for bullish trades. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, doesn't have to be this one, but you must have some kind of a daily trade plan. And if you're not trading with a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are failing. Now if you have any questions, all you got to do is Skype me, and I do prefer Skype so we can talk live in real time. Okay, now we can get into these trades. Pound New Zealand. I was late as I was away from the computer on this particular day. I was late coming to the computer, but my system, you can trade any market, any time frame, 24 hours a day. If the market's open, you can trade it. So I did one Forex pair and the rest were the indexes, the futures. I like just calling them futures. But anyhow, on this Pound New Zealand, I did buy all of them. This was before 10 a.m. in the morning. It closed out the bottom 3 at 11:30, and the other one took a little bit longer before it went into the positive side. So on this Pound New Zealand, as I mentioned, it was going negative, but I knew eventually it'll pop up, and I was hoping it was going to break the top, hit the ADR, but you can only take what the market will give you. So let's see, I got in with this little blue cursor here, went against me a bit, but I knew that it was going to give some couple of times push up, gave me an opportunity to close the trade, which is exactly what I did. I closed it. Looks like with 7 pips, turned out to be a winner, and those pips paid out $47. You'll notice that the futures and the indexes, they move a lot more and they pay a lot more than Forex. First, you get good with the slower moving instruments, even slower than the pound pairs like Euro dollar, Aussie dollar. You know, these pairs move a lot slower, and but they obviously move a lot less. So on this next trade, crude oil, this one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, this should be 9. And it continued to go up some more until it hit the ADR. But I was happy at this point when I closed them out. My goal every day is at least 200 pips and or ticks. Did top out with around 50. And as I mentioned, it should be 9, and there it is right there, 9 ticks, and that paid out $90. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is the Dow Jones. Now the Dow Jones pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 66. So let's drag and drop this up. Waited for the pullback. Got the arrow from the daily trade plan, arrow from the super signal. And even at that point it did do a slight pullback, but that didn't bother me. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out at this one. What do they say? It should be 66. There it is right there. 66 ticks, and those ticks paid out $330. Remember, there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And don't forget, you're going to need some kind of a daily trade plan. Now, you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Even today, I'm still buying education every year to continue my education and make my trading better. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. This one moves a lot, pays a lot. I even had to drop it down to the 5 minutes to try to get a closer reading. Let's drag and drop this up. And let's see now. This one pays $3.75 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by that. Calculator says it should be 415 ticks. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. There's the arrow from the super signal. And of course the scalper here is blue. I got in right at this little blue cursor. Went a little bit down, a little bit sideways until finally it took off. Now if I stayed in the trade a little bit longer period of time, I could have made even more. So I got in at this blue cursor. Remember, blue is for we'll be buying, and of course if it was red, it'll be selling. So I got in here, and what did I say? It should be 415, and looks like that's as close as I'm going to get. 414, 416, but it's 415 ticks, and all of those ticks paid out $1,556. You can clearly see the winner. And between the DAX 30, it's a huge winner, and of course this NASDAQ is also a great one to trade. So another great day of trading. Fantastic way to start off the week. I knew it was going to be well over 200, mainly because of this DAX 30. I added up all the pips and the ticks. Grand total came to 578, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,023. Now, if your system's not producing great results, like my easy scalper system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. Now, if you look right below this video in the description, you will get my contact information plus a lot of other information. One of the things you'll see down there is a link where all you got to do is click on it. We'll have a Skype connection, and at that point I can answer your questions. Now, you'll also notice in the description 3 different packages. I recommend you get all 3 packages. I do charge $250 each package, and I have a special offer. If you buy 2 of them, I'll give you 1 package for free. Now, of course, if you're looking for a bigger discount, up to a 50% discount, well, I do have 2 other packages that give a 50% discount. If you want to know what those 2 packages are, well, just send me an email, and I will send you an email back with those special limited time offers. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.